Okay, let's have our afternoon routine. Hello mga kakulitis. Say hello mga kakulitis. Say hello mga kakulitis. Okay, we're gonna pick up our kulitis for school, from school. Okay, you don't run there. Andres. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the bus stop. Okay, we're gonna...
Can I take out my basketball shirt and wear my another clothes?
Yeah, later na. Pag we're in the school na. Yeah, if we're gonna look at there, wala pa ang bus. Do you think the bus gonna be late today?
Yeah.
Huh, Andres?
Yeah!
Why are you shouting? Don't shout. So we are here in the bus stop. We're gonna wait for the bus. Right, Andres? Say hi. Say hi. I'm kulit. I'm kulitis.
Problem.
Oh, really? So medyo malamig. Medyo mahangin. Good thing you double up your clothes. You're good. Oh, grabe. Di ka na nakakita sa iyong sapatos.
Sapatos?
Yeah.
Oh, I found it in the fence.
Oh, really?
Yeah, me, Daddy go to the fence and I found it.
Okay. Nag-iba na ang time? Nag-iba na yung time ng ano? Nag-iba na ang time ng bus? It's supposed to be 3 p.m. but now it's set 7 minutes from now. So 3:07. Oh, 1 week lang tayo hindi nagsakay sa bus. Nag-change na ang time. Oh, be careful. Oh my God. Doing that. You stop doing that. Magasgasan ka karon. Oh, okay. Ang ganda guys, no? Ang ganda ng ano? Tawag ito ng paligid. Napakaliwanag. Sakto lang ang weather. Mahangin. Na malamig. Okay, dyan ang bus. Okay, the bus is there, you see? Per ticket. Good for 90 minutes. So, ari na kami sa bus ni Andres. So, look at my camera. Look at my camera. We're here in the bus. What are you singing?
Stop it!
Bye, bus. Say bye, bus.
My friend didn't give me anything. Yeah. Mama,
Masyadong mainit.
if it's a boy,
Ang ganda maglakad.
Mom, if it's a boy, it's him. If it's a
Ang
girl,
linis
it's
ng
her.
daan, guys, no? Wala masyadong basura.
I didn't give it to him.
Yeah. So we are going to the school of Kulitis because time check is
Mama, he broke his
3:50.
car. Mama, he broke his car.
Almost.
Mama, look, he broke
School
his
dismissed.
car.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Skeletal system of the car. Mga kahoy na akala mo nung nag-winter ay parang mga wala ng buhay. Ngayon, unti-unti nang nag-green na sila. So, there. Up, we're gonna cross the road. Hurry up. Ang problema lang, mainit na maya-maya, hahangin, tapos mainit, tapos malamig. Naghahangin-hangin na. Oh, ayan. Windy. Tran, you have to wait for me. Okay? Ito yun kami habang
I know, this for me.
hihintay sa mga kulitis. Maglalaro muna dito. Oh, don't shout at me,
Hold
okay?
it.
Okay.
Hold it.
This for what? I'm gonna put it in my bag.
No, I'm gonna forget that my friend is not. My friend is gonna be sad when I don't. Yeah.
Yeah, so ganito kami habang naghihintay sa mga bata, sa mga kapatid niya. Lumabas ng school, naglalaro-laro muna sa park. Pero itong kulitis na to sa September, papasok na din to sa school. Hey! Watch out ka, okay? So there, still no people in the outside. Ay, kainit tapos ang hangin. Kalamig. Kalamig. Malamig. I'm cold. Panago-nago ko diyo para matabunan ng likod ko kay kahangin, katugnaw. No. Yes. Because but the stick will hurt you later. Okay?
No.
Matuslo kasi na.
No. I try to make magic with this stuff.
Guys, unti-unti na
See
that? Tingnan yung mga magsusundo sa mga anak nila. Okay, buddy! Sa front door, ginasa yung nagpapadugay-dugay, ginasa sa front door. Come on, buddy! So, ari na ang isa. Isa na lang. Come on. Come on na. So we're going to the bus stop for our 90 minutes ticket still. Work.
Every time.
Yeah.
Wait, do you have a phone number? Oh, there.
Yes. Hi.
Stop videoing me.
Hi guys, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. Ay, kanami na sang init nagwa na. I love the sun
This is the
coming out.
This is the sunroom. This is the sunroom.
Tic-tac-toe means did you get that bottle? Di niyo rin kuha.
For my CTF.
That's yours?
Yeah.
Yours?
Yeah. That's my CTF.
Why did you say holding that a while ago?
What?
It was from your backpack?
That means you win.
It was from your backpack, Carl? Carl?
Yeah.
No, you're not telling me, ah. Behave na because the bus is here now. There we go.
It's on. I see it in your hair.
Stop it.
I see your face.
Don't fix it.
We're home from
I
school. This is our afternoon routine. House, school, bus, house, school. Serye.
And then I practice studying.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all for today, mga kulitis. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. At before that, please
Like and
subscribe ng aming munting channel, mga kakulits.
Thank you.